All right. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Skills at School. We have today Vinita with us, and she is the founder of Fluentio. And, I should say a company, a organization which really helps you to build English, have one on one sessions, build confidence, and there is a lot more in the game. First of all, I would like to welcome Vinita to Skills at School. And secondly, Unita, my question to like the first question that I have for you, how long have you been in the industry?
Yes. Hello. Yes. Thank you so much, Charu, for having me here. About this question, yes, I have been in this industry for 2 years.
Mhm,
I started this company, Fluengio, 2 years ago exactly in
mhm,
December 2023. So
mhm.
yeah, it has been a great experience. And thank you for having me on your channel to have this conversation. I'm really excited. Let's see how it unfolds.
Definitely, definitely. You know what? Every time Vinita is on the second side, like she is as a host on her page. Now she is actually as a guest. हमेशा ना ये मतलब I still remember I had a conversation with her. She wanted to know my secret and this and that. But now it's time for her to reveal because she has been talking to people. She has been owning this company. She has been working a lot with people. She has herself been working on this English communication. So it's not that today also she's sitting. She is learning every single day. She tries to implement all of these things, है ना? So my first question to you, Vinita, will be, आप इतना ज्यादा लोगों से बात करते हो, है ना? You know what exactly is the problem when it comes to English speaking and all of those stuffs. तो I want to understand कि actually problem आती कहाँ है? Like what is the basic aspect? कहाँ पे हम लोग अटक रहे हैं सबसे ज्यादा अभी?
Hmm. Okay, that's very interesting. I
हम्म,
talk to people because I want to know their lived experience.
हम्म,
And based on that, we can understand a problem at a broader level.
हम्म,
My problem was there few years ago. I was struggling with that a lot. My problem was different. When I talked with many people, then I got to know, yeah, this is a totally different problem for everyone. And
हम्म,
that's why by connecting with those people, I understand how did they learn English and what was their experience and their struggle.
हम्म,
Based on that, because when I talk to learners in today's time, they can see like there are different approaches. There is no this straight line formula.
हम्म,
Based on that, they can learn English. So for me, talking to people is like gaining their experience and using it for learners' benefit and for my benefit also. Yeah, and from their experience, I can say, yes, I understood problem at a big level,
हम्म,
and not from them, but also from my learners as well. Like every day, I talk to them, I understand, and how I can provide the solution so that they can learn fastest in the fastest way possible, in
हम्म,
an effective way possible. Yeah. If I talk about this part, like why do I connect with people? I told you to gain experience. And I started this channel, FluNGO, the platform I started for learners only, like so that I can give that platform that I never had when I was learning English.
हम्म.
Right. And YouTube, because I can share my personal experience, my learnings, and others' experience. I think, yeah, and it's going well. People are enjoying it. They are learning. You had this conversation with me, and many people watched it based on that. They might have taken something that they can use in their day-to-day life. So
Mhm.
that's very effective. And we have this conversation because we can share our usual experience together to them. Yeah.
Definitely, definitely. You know what? It is so beautiful that you're trying to do this because this is a big problem and you addressing it is really needed. So, I would like to understand it a little more in terms of your journey, because I can't see your journey on the internet that why, Vinita started all of this, what problems she had, what she has gone through. And I really want to inspire people with your journey so that, they also come up with something of this sort for others, rather than just for themselves.
Wow. Now I will have to go back in that time and think about all those embarrassing moments. I will share some moments. Now, till college, basically, till I turned 18,
Mm-hmm.
I was just living a normal life, trying to, and like a regular student, studious one,
Mm-hmm.
and got into IIT. Mm.
Okay.
So, yeah, I thought things will turn into something big after getting into IIT.
Mm-hmm.
But then I realized, no, I realized now I'm facing the biggest challenge that will take a toll on my mental health, on my opportunities, life, and everything. So, so till 18, I was okay, like in my school, like living normal life. When I went to college, I will share one incident here. My first embarrassing moment.
Mm-hmm.
So in first year, first semester, we used to give interviews for the groups. So in our college, there were some groups
Mm-hmm.
where we would take part, like for extracurricular activities.
Okay.
And to become the part of that group, we had to give interviews. And those interviews were like you have to tell something in English. Mostly they were in English.
Mm.
So from one of the groups, some seniors came to our hostel, so there were around 8 to 10 girls, and they started asking some questions in English.
Mm.
And I froze. And I remember they were asking about this topic, women empowerment. I understood this topic very well, but I didn't know how to say something in English.
Mm.
I was like silent. And I remember all these girls spoke something. Like किसी ने 2 लाइन बोला, किसी ने अच्छा बोला, किसी ने बहुत अच्छा बोला. मैंने कुछ नहीं बोला. So that was a problem. I like at that time I felt very like so small. पता नहीं क्यों हो रहा है. And
Mm.
then regretted. I wish I had been in an English medium school. ये सारे regrets थे. But that moment just hit so hard.
Mm.
And then I started working on this language. यहाँ से ना एक चीज तो है, इंग्लिश वाज अ प्रॉब्लम, बट आई ऑल्सो फेल्ट दिस कम्युनिकेशन पार्ट. मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती थी, बट
Mm.
आई कुड हैव सेड कि मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती है, कैन आई स्पीक इन हिंदी. मैं वो भी नहीं बोल पाई. सो दैट्स वेयर दिस कम्युनिकेशन ऑल्सो प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल, कि आपको पता है आपको क्या आता है क्या नहीं आता है.
Mm.
आई मेड एवरीथिंग अबाउट इंग्लिश. कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी, आई लाइक अगर इंग्लिश आती तो ये हो जाता. But English was a problem, but not a major problem. I understood. But I feel इसको solve करने के बाद many problems like vanished.
Mm.
So this was my one incident. After that, I faced many such challenges. In college, you give interviews for internship and job, and
Yeah.
other things were there also. And that was very heartbreaking for me because I lost many opportunities. And no matter what, like when you think people who are talking and you are not talking in English, you kind of isolate yourself from those people.
Yeah.
But naturally, you feel like, okay, if I had known this, I could make more friends and I could have gotten this internship and this job. But later, okay, it was very important for me to experience all of this, to start this company, because it
Mm.
all comes from my personal experience. But after college, when I got a job and I became quite comfortable. Like I could talk to people, I could clear interviews. And then when I was in this company, my first workplace, there also I realized many people were struggling with that in corporate. So I have this 5 to 6 years of corporate experience.
Mhm.
There I understood, yes, they have this immense knowledge about their subject matter, but
Yeah.
they are still struggling to put it out in their words. So it was a big problem. Out of this, like I thought, let's do something.
Mm-hmm.
Because when I was learning, I used to feel, I mean, I should have someone who can help me from day zero till I become comfortable. There was no one. I tried this trial and error. We do a lot. So I tried many things. Some worked, some things really worked for me. And at times I wasted a lot of time. But now I thought there should be a platform where people can come, they can start, they can experience from,
Mm-hmm.
they can share their experience without any judgment, and we can guide them. So now we have tutors who are passionate to teach,
Mm-hmm.
to help people with this language. So yes, it's going well, and I think my experience was important. This experience to start this company, and I use it fully. Yeah, and
True.
that's why I talk to people because we all have different experience.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
so
completely
this was the
resonate.
reason.
Hmm. This is amazing, because if you haven't gone through the same incidents, you don't know the pain. You don't understand that pain and you don't know how to tackle it. So you, in that moment, you freezing, you hit it that, this is something that I need to change was really important. But then you addressed two issues over here. One was that it was not always about English. Communication can be in any language. It just has to be a
Mhm.
communication between two people. You have to communicate your own ideas and message. Whereas the other one was that you just froze, and there are a lot of people who actually face that. So because you have gone through that incident, I really want to understand how anybody who is in that moment or goes through the same issue, how can they tackle
Mhm.
it?
Wow. Hmm. It's more than English. Yeah, it's mindset. I would say
Mm-hmm.
when you are in this situation, you have to communicate. So before that, I want to tell you something. Many people think that my nature, for example, if someone is shy or introvert,
Mm-hmm.
this is my nature. That's why I can't do this. Right? I'm shy, I'm an introvert person, I don't know this. Then we start blaming situations, and it's normal. Like our first approach is to blame situations. Like
Mm-hmm.
अगर ऐसा होता, अगर मेरा नेचर थोड़ा सा ओपन होता and मेरी फ्रेंड की तरह I could say this, we start blaming situations.
Hmm.
Communication is like first step working on your mindset. It's very important to understand वो blocker कहाँ पे आ रहा है. For example, now we both are talking. Hmm?
Hmm.
You asked me something, मुझे पता है मुझे आपसे आज बात करनी है. ठीक
Hmm.
है. So मेरे सामने क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही है, कहाँ पे वो हेजिटेशन आ रहा है.
Hmm.
One more example, if someone has to give interview, तो ब्लॉकर क्या आएंगे कि इंटरव्यू में क्वेश्चन पूछा तो मुझे कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करना है. अंडरस्टैंडिंग दोज फियर्स, दोज ब्लॉकर्स.
Okay.
वो फियर कहाँ है, पहला स्टेप कि यार मेरे पास इनफ नॉलेज है क्या, मेरे पास आंसर्स हैं प्रॉपर, मैं बोल पाऊंगा या बोल पाऊंगी. ठीक है.
Hmm.
एंड देन कि जब मैं बोलने का ट्राई करता हूँ वो इंग्लिश प्रॉब्लम है या मेरा हेजिटेशन प्रॉब्लम है,
Hmm.
या फिर बोथ. बोथ हो सकता है.
हो
ठीक है.
सकता है बिल्कुल.
एंड उसके करेक्ट, उसके बाद अगर मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ टू इम्प्रूव दिस, तो
Hmm.
मुझे क्या फील हो रहा है. बिकॉज मैनी अ टाइम्स वी कीप आवर सेल्फ इन दिस कंफर्ट जोन. यार मैं तो नहीं बोल पाऊंगा बिकॉज आई एम नॉट फ्रॉम इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल.
Hmm.
आई डोंट हैव पीपल अराउंड अस, आई डोंट हैव पीपल अराउंड मी who
Yeah.
are speaking English. But all these problems are normal. ये एक बार में समझ नहीं आता. It comes after experiencing some embarrassing moments.
Hmm.
कि हाँ, मेरे को बोलना था बट आई couldn't टॉक. प्रॉब्लम कहाँ थी, इंग्लिश थी या मेरा माइंडसेट था. देन यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन योर माइंडसेट. तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड वो रूट लेवल प्रॉब्लम कहाँ है. तो मेरा बैकग्राउंड इंजीनियरिंग है, तो इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड में तो वी फोकस ऑन दिस रूट कॉज
Hmm.
रादर देन आउटपुट. ये आ कहाँ से रही है, एग्जैक्टली मुझे कहाँ कहाँ प्रॉब्लम आ रही है बोलते टाइम. Understanding that problem and work on it is very important, and it doesn't happen overnight. It happens after having some experience, after talking to people, and then you understand, okay,
Hmm.
let's work on it. So step by step process. ये बहुत important to work on it. इंग्लिश तो है important, बट वो वाली प्रॉब्लम है ना कि जब आपके पास पैसा नहीं होता,
Hmm.
तो यू स्टार्ट थिंकिंग कि सारी प्रॉब्लम को सोल्यूशन पैसा है, कि काश पैसा होता तो मैं ये कर लेता. लेकिन इफ यू हैव मनी, then you start seeing other problems.
other
तो
problems.
जब इंग्लिश नहीं आती तो आपको लगता है कि इंग्लिश इज द प्रॉब्लम, बट व्हेन यू आर कंफर्टेबल देन यू स्टार्ट सीइंग अदर प्रॉब्लम्स। अच्छा ये भी है, ये भी है, सो दिस इज द थिंग। इट्स
Hmm.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू वर्क ऑन द माइंडसेट कि कहाँ कहाँ चीजें ब्लॉक कर रहा हूँ मैं खुद से।
Hmm.
आई थिंक
हम
या
लोग
इट वर्क्स फॉर मी।
ओके हम लोग
या
पता है क्या करते हैं, वी पुट इट ऑन अदर पीपल, वी पुट इट ऑन सिचुएशंस, एंड हम लोग एक्चुअली इसको एड्रेस नहीं करते, विच आई फील लाइक यू टेलिंग अस इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि सब कुछ स्टार्ट ही यहीं से हो रहा है। दिस इज द बेस स्टेप, दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप। अगर यहीं पे एक ब्लॉक है, इफ योर माइंड सेट इज अ ब्लॉक, आई डोंट थिंक, बिकॉज यू नो आई टेल यू, मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपसे यही था कि अच्छा ठीक है, somebody फ्रोज, कुछ लोग शाय होते हैं, कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं, कुछ लोग डिफरेंट सेट ऑफ पीपल, बट देन सबके सेट में एक चीज कॉमन है, वो यही है कि आपका माइंडसेट कितना स्ट्रांग है, एंड दैट इज हाउ यू टेक द फर्स्ट स्टेप, है ना। ऑल्सो विनीता, इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारी मिस्टेक्स, गैप्स, प्रॉब्लम्स रही हैं, आई नो, एंड वन ऑफ इट इज आपकी एक बहुत अच्छी वीडियो है, लाइक यू नो इट हैज, आई डोंट नो, लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ व्यूज, एंड इट लेजेंड वाज द बेस्ट वीडियो व्हेयर यू टेल अबाउट हाउ टू थिंक इन इंग्लिश। बहुत लोगों की ये प्रॉब्लम है कि हम ना हिंदी में सोच के कन्वर्ट करते हैं, so you know I really want to understand how do we cope up with that.
ओके, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट हाउ टू थिंक इन इंग्लिश।
Yeah.
क्योंकि ये सबसे पहला स्टेप होता है। व्हेन यू नो आपको क्या बोलना है, लाइक एज आई मेंशन्ड अर्लियर,
हाँ
मुझे पता था हिंदी में मुझे क्या बोलना है, लेकिन
हाँ
उसको इंग्लिश में कैसे ट्रांसफर करना है, उसको कैसे ट्रांसलेट करना है, दैट वाज द प्रॉब्लम। ये यहाँ पे ना, आई थिंक व्हेन यू आर इन दिस लर्निंग स्टेज, लाइक फ्रॉम दिस बिगिनर मोड, यू काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रगल देयर कि यार, बिकॉज हिंदी या कोई भी नेटिव लैंग्वेज, वहां पे सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन इज टोटली डिफरेंट देन इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस। वहां पे एक स्ट्रक्चर होता है,
yeah
ठीक है। उसमें आपको कॉन्स्टेंटली, इफ यू आर नॉट ट्रेनिंग योर सेल्फ टू थिंक इन इंग्लिश, तो वो गैप आएगा फ्रॉम योर माइंड टू माउथ।
mouth
ये
yeah.
ट्रांसलेशन इट्स डिफिकल्ट।
Hmm.
सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वी डोंट पुट अ लॉट ऑफ emphasis on this,
Hmm.
because when we start learning we start thinking okay directly मुझे यहाँ तक जाना है, I want to talk, but where is this coming from?
Hmm.
You have a lot of information here, you have a lot of knowledge here,
Hmm.
how to translate, how to transfer. So it's very important to think in English. ये मेरे लिए भी बहुत सरप्राइजिंग था when I uploaded this video, and like people started watching and the response was good. And if you notice, वो काफी पहली वीडियो है, उसके
Hmm.
बाद मैंने दूसरी वीडियो भी बनाई है, and yeah, that also got good number of views. But
Hmm.
still, like people want it. It's a big problem. I found out some good, fascinating tricks how to think in English. They're very interesting.
Hmm.
So people can watch those videos. There are two videos,
Hmm.
and that you can encourage yourself to think in English. Some tricks, because typical tricks we get bored with typical tricks.
Hmm.
So like you can find something interesting. क्या बोलना है? Some games are there, connection games, sentence formation, and आप किसी टॉपिक पे कैसे बात कर सकते हो।
Hmm.
That's very good. It's very very important
Hmm.
to think in English. एंड ये नॉर्मल है कि जो हमारी नेटिव लैंग्वेज का स्ट्रक्चर है और इंग्लिश का,
Hmm.
उसके साथ फेमिलियरिटी क्रिएट करना।
Okay.
बिकॉज सी, many people put a lot of emphasis on you can learn English like a child. A child learns a language. It is good, but there is a difference. Child took a lot of time, many years to get there. But as adults, we are good to understand patterns.
Hmm.
We can easily recognize those patterns. If I'm saying I'm eating uh, any fruit, I'm eating apple. So uska ek pattern, I'm eating chapati, I'm eating banana.
Hmm.
So we can, as adults, we can recognize that pattern. So जो think in English process है, it's very important to recognize those patterns.
Okay.
उसमें हम, yeah, so it's very very important, and I think people can watch those videos to see
Definitely. They
वो
are a lifesaver, I must
कैसे
say. In any video of yours, like legit, it holds so much of experience, so much of knowledge. अच्छा विनीता, हमने ना ये तो बात कर ली कि अच्छा सबसे पहला स्टेप क्या होता है, माइंडसेट का प्रॉब्लम, देन हाउ टू थिंक इन इंग्लिश, बिगिनर मोड की हमने बात कर ली। देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल जिन्हें ना थोड़ी बहुत इंग्लिश मतलब हमने यहाँ पे अंडरस्टैंड तो किया कि नॉलेज है हमारे पास, अब उसको कन्वर्ट कैसे करना है, बोलना कैसे है। बट देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल जिनको अब इंग्लिश बोलनी भी आती है, मतलब दे नो एटलीस्ट हाउ टू स्पीक, या उन्होंने
हम्म।
ट्रांसलेशन थोड़ा बहुत सीख लिया है, बेसिक वर्ड्स और स्ट्रक्चर्स पैटर्न जैसे आप बोल रहे हो, दे हैव लाइक started understanding that, but they still are scared of judgment. They still are scared of speaking. They think that people will make fun of them, people will make joke of them, they don't have partners, they don't have environments, they don't have people, and blah 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 blah, like a lot of stuff. How do we deal with this? Because हमने अपने दिमाग में इतना बड़ा बना रखा है कि हम इससे बाहर ही नहीं आ पा रहे हैं.
Wow, very well. Interesting part. Yesterday, I recorded a video for the channel talking about the same thing.
Oh.
Okay. This fear of judgment, not only for English, in general, also in our life, we are not able to do a lot of things because constantly in our head, we are like, यार कौन क्या बोलेगा? अब उसका जो solution है ना, एक 100% तो we don't know, right? We
Yeah.
just keep trying. What works for it? What works for us? What works for others? We keep trying. तो
Hmm.
एक जो इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट, आई वाज वाचिंग रील, वहां पे ना एक पर्सन शी वाज मेंशनिंग, शी सेड कि इन दिस वर्ल्ड देयर आर 8 बिलियन पीपल,
Okay.
इन अवर कंट्री 1.5 बिलियन पीपल,
Hmm.
in your city you are living in a small town, city or village. How many people do know you actually? 100, 200?
Yeah.
You are afraid कि 100 और 200 people क्या बोलेंगे? There is this whole world. तो आपको आपको लगता है in your mind the world is looking at you, the spotlight effect.
Hmm.
But in reality, how many people do actually know you? 100, 200, or 1000 if you are not
100%.
very famous. Hmm. उसमें भी how many people talk about you, talk to you on a daily basis?
Hmm.
5, 10. Now you are concerned कि लोग बाकी के क्या सोचेंगे, and in reality nobody cares.
Hmm.
दे मूव ऑन. किसी ने फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपको या मेरे को कभी किसी ने बोल दिया हो कि यार क्या कर रही है तू, यू कैन डू समथिंग बेटर, या फिर यू शुड डू समथिंग लाइक दैट, तो आपके यहाँ पे तो रह गया. दैट पर्सन मूव्ड ऑन इजीली, बोल के निकल गया, लेकिन इन अवर हेड इट इज स्टिल देयर कि यार ऐसे बोला था. नाउ लॉस किसका है? आई एम फेसिंग, वी बोथ आर फेसिंग दैट लॉस. दिस पर्सन हैज मूव्ड ऑन आफ्टर सेइंग समथिंग, एंड नाउ वी आर फेसिंग दिस. तो इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट टू अंडरस्टैंड कि वो कि उससे लॉस किसको हो रहा है. इट्स पर्सनल लॉस. व्हेन वी आर अफ्रेड of this judgment, we are letting go of many opportunities,
Yeah.
many more things. Because of that, we stop practicing, we stop learning, we stop showing up,
Hmm.
right? किसी ने कुछ जज किया, they move on. And then I believe people who know English
Mm-hmm.
in this English contest, they won't judge you.
Yeah.
But people who don't know, या तो वो करना नहीं चाहते उस पे वर्क, या फिर आप कर रहे हो उनको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, they want to pull you down. Usually फिर उस केस में you have to just ignore that noise. It doesn't happen overnight again. It's a
Hmm.
work. और उसका जो एंटीडोट है, that's practice. आपको कॉन्स्टेंटली खुद को उस जोन में रखना पड़ेगा. यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग, यू आर लर्निंग, यू आर सीइंग चेंजेस. इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई वाज रीडिंग दिस लाइन फ्रॉम दिस बुक. I told you earlier, I was reading this book, How to Speak Fluently in
Hmm.
English.
Last podcast में, yeah, you told me.
Yeah. Yeah. Uh, in this book, there were some lines. I'll tell you. One was like, our problem is not grammar, vocabulary.
Hmm.
Our problem is fear.
Yeah.
Fear is the first biggest problem. And एक और था उसमें कि we are struggling to show up because we don't want to show our authentic side to
Hmm.
the world. We want to show that we want to show ourselves out that we are someone else. We are pretending. The purpose of communication is to show authentically, not show yourself as someone who you are not. So we lose this touch from our authentic side.
Yeah.
In Yeah, when we try to prove ourselves, we
Hmm.
get into this zone कि यार ऐसे कहना है मुझे, ऐसे कोई बात करनी है मुझे, इसकी तरह रहना है. I'm used to.
Actually, with me, it is like very new, very new. I'm also doing it for the first time. I didn't know how the recording like just got stopped, but it was a storage issue, so we solved it and it's fine now.
Okay, all the best if you are new. With time, you will get comfortable, very comfortable with this.
Thank you so much. So, coming back to the point that we were discussing, Vinita, I'll tell you this. I wanted it to come from you because, you would have also faced all of those issues and you're still standing, bold with all of the strengths. And there are people who go through this and they, what should I say? They like close themselves with all of these things and they do not move forward and they are like scared of
Mhm.
these judgments and all of those stuffs and they think that they'll make fun of me, but I what I feel like after talking to you, it's more like they know your journey, they know from where you started and from where you have been, and the moment you'll be on stages, the moment you'll be doing good, they'll be the ones supporting you and promoting you that day. So I mean,
Yeah, hoping
that's
for
the
that.
beauty
Thank you.
of it, and thank you so much for sharing. Coming back to the last aspect of it, where because you have been for the channel, like in the channel, you have been in the industry for like 2 long years, you would have some specific set of tips, for these people to anybody, who's starting off English, anybody who's stuck, anybody. Because there's one more point that I wanted to discuss where these corporate people, they know English, they're talking in English, but then they're not able to step up in the ladder. They're not able to move forward. They did it at the time of their age, but now they don't have the confidence to, move and all of those stuffs. And I
Mhm.
don't know, like, there are so many things that you would have actually seen with people, or people are facing. So, what are those tips, tricks, hacks that you personally want to share with them?
Okay. I will share something based on my personal experience. In this case, it's very important to show up with whatever you have, whatever knowledge you have, whatever experience you have, whether you know anything, you don't know anything. It's important to tell if you know, it's good. If you don't know, that I don't know, can I take some time?
Mm,
Yeah. Because most of the time, what happens, we keep ourselves in this shell because we want to become perfect. कि एक दिन अगर मैं बहुत perfectly बोल पाऊँ, if I can address these hundreds of people, then only I can show up. But ये दिन आने में, it takes time. First, you will have to talk to one person, then two, then 10 people, and then 100, then more than that. It's very important to start where you are from this point and then keep moving forward.
mm,
It's very important to take steps, step one, step two, step three, and then 10th step. Mostly, what people do, what I have also done multiple times, I waited for that perfect time. Like, अगर मुझे अच्छे से आ गई तब मैं YouTube चैनल स्टार्ट करूंगी. अगर मुझे अच्छे से आ गई, then I will start this. But when I started my company, I understood one thing. I'm doing it for people who are struggling, not for people who are confident. Now,
mm,
that's not my goal. So I'm doing for people who are in this journey, who are walking that path that I have already walked. And I'm sure people who already know good English, they are good communicator, they won't come to me. No need.
yeah.
People who are struggling, they are trusting us, they are coming to us. If I know you can help me in some ways, I will come to you.
Hmm.
So if you focus on this perfection, you won't go anywhere. It's important to take those steps. So for me, I would say it's important to show up with what you have, whatever experience you carry consistently. In especially in terms of this language learning, consistency is very important.
Hmm.
And it is very important to understand learning and unlearning. In this step, we have a lot of information in today's time.
Hmm.
we watch a lot of social media content.
Yeah.
Many people say many different kind of things. You need to understand what will work for you, what is aligning with your own goal.
Hmm.
Because, for example, there are some learners who come to this platform. They are like, I have learned 100 words, but I don't know how to use it. Then I ask, can you make basic sentences? Like,
Hmm.
can you use these words like food, go, eat, sleep properly? Can you make small conversation?
Hmm.
No, that's where they struggle and they want to use heavy and big words. So it's
Yeah.
important to take step by step. First, learn to make small sentences, then small conversation, then keep adding more to it. And
Hmm.
then moving towards your perfection that you have in your mind. So very important to show up with
Hmm.
what you have. At the end, I would say this because it always works.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You
And
know
I
why?
can tell you one thing.
Hmm? No, no,
Yes.
please, please.
So I'm saying I was the this girl who would sit in the corner shy. But now for me, like uploading videos, it was a big challenge. But with time, I become quite comfortable. Now I share reels, shorts, videos, and I talk to people. My forte is one-on-one sessions.
Hmm.
But still, for my work, for people who can get this inspiration or they can have like if she is uploading videos, we can also learn or we can also do the same thing. So yes, it's important
Hmm.
because I have done it and I believe many people can do this. Yeah.
Definitely, definitely. You give that energy to us, and I believe that your forte is one-on-one. That is the only thing that is going to work with, people who are actually facing issue, because everybody has a different set of problems. They're coming from a different background. They need that one-on-one support from the person. So we're really thankful, and I'll request everybody who's watching this video to go ahead and check out her videos. Go ahead and check out everything that she's talking about, shorts, reels, videos, and get in touch with her. Most importantly, if not into like specifically one-on-ones or personal call, is the right person, because I'll tell you this, today I am doing this, she is doing this, and we in the same industry can tell you there is always a scope of learning. You'll never be perfect, like the way she said. Never, मेरे को नहीं लगता अगर आप किसी चीज में परफेक्ट हो जाओगे तो आपको उसको करने में भी मजा आएगा, बिकॉज यू लर्न इन द जर्नी, यू डू इट बिकॉज यू वांट टू लर्न, you want to understand, you want to meet people. I am still learning. So it's not that I have been to her podcast, she has been to mine today, and we learn from each other. We learn, how she is doing things. So I'll give you one example while coming to an end. Maybe she's good at English, right? Or maybe I am good at something. Maybe I am good at, teaching people. But she was good at, doing these online sessions. Maybe I'm good at doing offline sessions at podcasts. So we learn from each other, and there is always that scope. Because if you don't have that scope, I don't think you're improving. Because growth, like, it has to improve, it has to take you to heights that you've never even thought of in your life. So I'll edit on that note. Thank you so much, Vinita. Thank you so much for your time. It was lovely having a conversation. I'm looking forward for an offline podcast. I'm looking forward to, give you a duppy and all of those stuff and hug you for sharing all of these with the audience. I am sure they'll love. They'll learn from you. They'll get inspired. They'll get motivated. They'll get back to you. And yeah, that's how I end it. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much for your kind words. And I must say it's very important in the last you said to understand our personal strength. My strength can be one-on-one, somebody's strength can be group classes or
Yeah.
talking to many people or have that energy. So it's important to understand our personal strength and then leverage it for the benefit, for our personal benefit. And I talked about a lot of things that I never talked before. Thank you so much for making me talk about all those experiences. It was good, and I hope people who are watching this, especially English learners, all the best for your English learning journey. There is always this learning scope. Keep learning, very
Hmm.
important. And they can check out our videos or channel or platform. And yes, I'm here to help. And thank you so much again for having me on this podcast.
Pleasure being ours. And yeah, we're all signing off. Bye, guys. Lots of love, lots of happiness.
Bye. Happy New Year.
Wishing them a very happy new year. It's very close. Although Christmas also is very near. तो हम
Merry
लोग मिल
Christmas.
सकते Merry Christmas. चलो, bye. See ya.
Bye. Take care.
You too. Mm-mm.